In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Epson L3150 printer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of printer from Epson or any other similar model, you can use the method that I'm going to showcase in this video to perform a full reset. This can help you if you are having trouble getting the printer to work or if it is displaying error messages when you try to print a document. So to perform this reset, we will have to download a specific tool. It is going to be available on the WIC website, so through a web browser on your computer, go to wic.support or look for the Waste Encounter Reset Utility Support on Google. This tool will perform the reset for us, so click on download free on the website and you will be able to download the tool that is used for free. However, every single time that you want to use it, you will need to purchase a reset key, so you can pay through one of these methods here, or you will have the option to do one-time trial. So they will provide you with a one-time usage trial for your particular printer. After that is done, if you want to reset it again in the future, then you will need to purchase keys. So to start, download the tool. So for Windows, it is going to be available here, Mac, and then Linux. Once you have it downloaded, open it up, and the very first thing that you will see is it telling you to connect your printer to your PC over USB or Wi-Fi, so through the network. Once it is properly connected, it will appear on the list and you can select it. First, choose the option to read the waste counters. This will take an accurate measure of the waste counters, and if the percentages are within error, then it is going to give you a message and you will be able to reset them. So after you read the waste counters first, you can proceed to resetting them. When you choose reset, as I've said before, it is going to ask you to input a key that you purchased, so you can use this button here. If you want to use your one-time usage trial, then type the word trial in this input field. By literally typing out trial, it is going to use your one-time trial on this printer, so you can choose OK and let this process finish. Once it is done, they are going to request to turn the printer off, and it is going to be properly reset through the usage of WIC. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Epson L3150 printer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.